First fish of the year right there. Monster crappie.
No, that's bigger. A little bigger. It's a little bigger.
Fish sandwich.
I think it's bigger down there.
Yeah, not bad.
No.
I think the fish are getting dumb. First fish of the year for me. Crappie. Back down. As you go.
Nice one. Fish. I didn't think my drag was that loose. Jumps back in.
What's his name?
Alfred.
Alfred?
Mm-hmm. And if he doesn't cooperate with me, he's gonna go on the skillet.
My hand's freezing. Put it back. Go!
Idiot! Go!
Still there.
He's a genius, leave him alone.
Copy 2. Not a fish sandwich. But it will be.
You think you're funny, buddy. You bit probably all of our baits. Go back in the hole.
Where's the fish sandwiches?
Fish number 2 of 2026 for me. It's a little guy. Smallest of the year. There we go. And there's one right there. It's the same one. No, it's not. It's smaller. Smaller. Nice to the crappie.
Oh.
Doing the
Changing it up.
He goes that nice. That's the biggest one of the day, probably. And it's close, actually. Nice, yeah. It didn't feel that big. Yeah, it's similar in size. This one might be the biggest. What do you want? Throw them back?
Up to you. You can throw them back.
It's up to you, actually.
Oh, we'll see what Braxton catches.
Nope. That's not. Oh, wait.
Look at all those Gilly boys.
I have no idea. Right behind you,
I saw you drop down a pumpkin seed.
Oh, what's going to you?
Gilly boy. Fish sandwich.
I can see the bottom. I believe in you.
We found the monster bluegill. Shoot. Come on.
Where is your hook at the bottom? You'll see him. No, I know it's on the video. I'm not getting anything. Oh, I had a bite. It's biting the freaking teardrop, though. Get those.
Yeah, because they're a bunch of little punks.
I think I see some at it. Just not biting the
I think they're just...
worm.
I can't tell if that one looks better or not. The one that swam right past it. That one's not.
I don't know if I have a worm on anymore.
Anyways.
Look, got one. That thing's pulling drag. That's telling you something, Caleb. Thank you, buddy, for being my first fish of the day. Now I get to... Oh, no, I still have my spike. Hey, you're blocking my view, buddy.
Show the camera.
Better show it. Oh, God, he's strong. Try to perfectly time that. There you go, camera. That is a big fish.
Are you kidding me?
You catch a fish I just caught? Oh,
No.
it's bigger, it's bigger. Throw it on us. Or we gotta get a smaller one. Put it on the tip up.
That's a monster fish. Gilly boy.
It looked good on tip up hook.
Back in the water.
Use that.
No, he's probably not that big.
Keep
But...
it on him. Just
Oh,
in case.
this is Braxton's jig.
Oh, he's looking at it. Get ready, bro. Oh, it bit yours. Got him. Looks like a giant. That's huge. The biggest of the day.
Yeah, we got him.
You said that thing looks like a giant.
It
So
did.
I'm curious on what that bass size is. That bass probably not that big. What is that on the top left? Bluegill, I think. Yes.
Look at that. Hello.
Oh, that one's not looking you hard.
Hey, hey. What are you doing?
I don't see crap though. Oh, there's one. Alright, control it. We're still at the bottom. Yeah, we are. They're littler than the other one.
Gillies?
Yeah. Go up. See what that is. That's another gilly.
Huh.
Tiny.
Yeah, because they're a bunch of little punks.